Meaning of defiance.
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 Defiance. Defiance refers to the act of openly resisting or challenging authority, rules, or conventions. It involves a deliberate and bold refusal to comply with expectations or demands. The result of defiance can vary depending on the context and situation. In some cases, it can lead to positive change and progress, as seen in acts of civil disobedience that challenge unjust laws or practices. However, in other situations, defiance can result in negative consequences such as punishment, ostracism, or conflict. Ultimately, the impact of defiance depends on the motivations behind it and the responses of those affected by it.